Invaders, not from space, but rather the sea. Small comb jellyfish called ctenophores, also known as sea walnuts, have been in Long Island's waters for some decades now, but recently these little jellies are causing some big problems. Marianne McNamara, a marine biologist and researcher at Stony Brook University, has been studying these ctenophores for years.
They're not technically jellyfish because they don't sting. They lack those stinging cells. And so as a sort of an alternative, they have sticky cells that sort of ensnarl and stick to their prey.
The problem is their prey includes anything that they can stick to.
In 2006, we found that peak abundance of these ctenophores coincided with the spawning of the hard clam here in Great South Bay at a time when they were removing up to about 100% of the clam larvae, of the baby clams.
Chester Hugh, a research assistant for McNamara, has also been studying ctenophores and the projected impact on Long Island.
I would assume that ctenophores would be carried in by ship ballast or other means.
Once here, the ctenophores reproduce quickly, making them difficult to remove.
Ctenophores are hermaphroditic, meaning that they're both male and female. So if a ctenophore is well fed and has enough, adequate food supply, a adult ctenophore can produce over 10,000 eggs per day.
What to do about the ctenophores is a problem, as simply killing them isn't a viable solution.
It's actually very hard to eradicate them because there are so many, and doing so would probably harm a lot of other wildlife.
It's unknown what long-term impact ctenophores will have on Long Island's marine ecosystem and those that feed on it. While there is no direct evidence between ctenophores, a decrease in native species, and an increase in brown tide, there are strong links between the three. One thing is for sure, here at Stony Brook School of Marine and Atmospheric Sciences, research will continue. For Stony Brook News, this is Sean Moore.